I was about to get ready
for females
45th anniversary party. So there are 40 color true shades in the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation range. I'm in the shade 3W2 Cashew. I have really oily skin, so the formula for this is oil-free and oil controlling, so I don't have to ever worry about my makeup. And I'm done. Let me go get changed and let's go for the party.
I think the Estee Lauder Double Wear Shell Beige in 4N1 is the best for my skin. It's so light and mattifying, and also it's sweat proof, which is great for my eyes. They get sweaty sometimes. Look, I'm now gonna change into my outfit. I'm ready to go. Let's go party.
I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. It's so mattifying and it doesn't look cakey at the end of the day. When I'm done, I'm gonna look flawless. Okay, I'm gonna get changed. How do I look?
I am an Estee Lauder Double Wear in the shade Warm Cream 3W0. Warm cream. Sounds tasty.
feels quite buildable, which is good because I like having control of how much goes on. What's pretty cool about this foundation is that it's long-lasting. And there we go. All right, dress is on. I will see you guys there.